John Deere 8360 RT bogie wheel fluid. Tried finding it on the internet, looked everywhere. Called John Deere, finally got an answer after a little bit. All you got to do is pop that cover, falls off, makes yourself a nice mess because you weren't ready with the bucket. Then you just put your 6 bolts back in, take your center bolt out, fill it full of your John Deere high guard. And, it helped to keep the finger out of the camera too. Yeah, you just fill it up, that center plug there, until it comes out. John Deere high guard, same thing goes for your front hubs. Easy peasy. There's your answer.